walking up to the back of Mountail Park, over the creek, and take a quick look at the lake. Sounds like spring.
Some deer.
Oh, yep. Always nice. I hear our duck. Oh, I see ducks. Is there something on that tree? No, I think it's just a fallen tree. Cool. We got the first of the year tree swallow, which I can't find for you. Where is that bad boy? There. No. I'm not going to be able to find. We'll find big flocks of tree swallows that are easy to see, but he's out in the field doing acrobatics like they like to do. First of the year, good sign of spring migration right there. Well, I can see him, but you can't. Funny. Alright. Mountail is cool. There's a big field. I don't know if we can go there or not. I called the Parks Department to try to find out. There's no trespassing signs, but we're never sure. But you can't tell from here because these Bradford pears have just taken over the whole area. Look at that. Don't plant Bradford pears. They've taken over the area, but you can almost see it over there. If it wasn't for all those Bradford pears, it used to be a landfill, I think, and it was donated, it's repurposed, and they had wildflowers there and a nice hill. Would be absolutely beautiful. It'd still be kind of fun to walk through if we're allowed. But man, somebody take down these Bradford pears before they take over the world. They've really messed up this part of the park. Anyway, still got pretty clouds. Still no rain. Hey, that. Yeah, look. Let's see here. Where is he? He just landed in a tree. Do you see him? I'm getting used to this camera, guys. Sorry. Let's see. If I go from there, down there he is. Nope. Where is he? Up. This is a whole lot easier with my regular camera than it is with the thing. The tree swallow's in a tree. Let's see if I can get closer, because I can't seem to zoom worth a darn. Does anybody see him? Is that him? There he is. Tree swallow. I promise I'll get better at this, guys. Or not. Look at all those Bradford pears. Goodness gracious, it just never stops. Don't plant the Bradford pears. And if somebody from the Parks Department wants to give me permission, I'll get my boys and we'll start cutting them down. Just let us know. There's a bluebird thinking about a nice nesting box. Oh, there's two of them. One of them just flew in. The other one's checking it out. I think we've got a nesting pair, maybe. Yay for the bluebird. The rain has started to fall. We had a good hour of looking around before it started. So now we get to look in the rain, but probably will not be using the camera. There's the buffalo. Yay. Really is a beautiful little park. Got a towhee. Yay. Rain isn't too bad, so we decided to check out the bottoms. It's been flooded, and you can see it doesn't even look like farm fields. Just nothing but mud all over the place. Ethan says there's some swans out there.
Maybe pelicans.
Pelicans?
Maybe, which I've never seen.
I didn't bring my binoculars. I'm not even seeing them.
I got it.
You can see this was all water, and now it's just mud, mud, mud. We parked the car because I don't really want to get a car wash. So anyway, here we go. Taking a walk. You can walk with us for a little bit if you want to. We'll see if this mic is helping with the wind at all, because it's always windy out here. Always windy. Whereabouts are you looking? Where are you looking? Like compared to that big tall tree way over there.
Just left of that. Across, sitting on like the water's edge. Big group. We help them at a scope.
It's a big group of them.
Unless they all have their heads down, that's weird. Which is impossible. Definitely pelicans.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Nice. That's a good one for here.
Yeah.
Usually you'd see them fly over maybe, but
yeah, I've never had them sitting down. That's kind of rarity in Vandenberg.
down for the storm that's coming maybe.
Maybe.
All right. So Vandenberg bottoms have pelicans today. Try to decide. Do you think we ought to go through? The water doesn't look that high. Maybe further down. Man, look at all that stuff though. Maybe another day.